Hey guys, what's up? Nicole's in Germany for work. She's gonna be there for 2 to 3 days. And I'm gonna be working on the utility belt. We tested it out, the buckle. I'm gonna cast that using silicone and casting resin or something like that. It's gonna be sort of plasticky. First, what I gotta do is sketch the buckle. Sketch how it's gonna look, make it the size that I want. Then I'm gonna clay on top of it, and then I'm gonna create a mold out of that. Done the sculpting. I think it's as good as I can get it right now. So I'm just gonna clean up just a little bit around the sculpt, and then I'm going to find something that I can make a makeshift bucket out of. As you can see, I taped all around it, and that's just to make sure that it won't leak. I made more of an oval out of it because then it fits good on the sides. And now it's time to mix up the silicone. Using silicone is really easy because you need, and it says so on the package, you just need 1 part of every of the 2 parts. So if you put in, it's really good to measure, because if you have your measuring cup and you measure like 1 bar here, and you fill that up with 1 component, then you just need to fill up to the other bar with the other component, and that's it. You don't have to calculate anything. I love this stuff. So there we go. It's been almost an hour later. I like to take my, I like to make sure that I give enough time to cure. I've shaved in the meantime. The mold is as clean as it will get, and now comes the crappy part, because these two things are highly toxic. That's why I've got this mask. I've got a window over there open, I've got a window over there open, and I'm gonna blow a fan and it's gonna be set to that window, because this shit is so toxic you don't want to breathe it in. And I've got to sleep in this room. So yeah. It's been 2 days since I casted it, and I didn't get the paint yet because I noticed with Nicole's pendant, on the package it says that it's hard within 24 hours, but that's a lie. Nicole's pendant is in there for about 4 to 5 days now, and only now it's starting to get really solid, because mine is in here for 2 days, and if you press it you can still see your fingerprints and it's still a bit sticky. But I figured I would pop it out anyways because it's hard already. So this is what I have, and now see, I just bend this a bit and you can just pop it out, and there we go. I do need to do a little bit of adjusting because I need to cut off this piece and this piece right here, but the rest of it is pretty good. I do need to do a bit of cleaning, and I'm not gonna paint it until maybe the weekend, because over time it will harden even more. So there we are again. As you can tell by my beard, it's a couple of days later, and that's because I had to work and I had to find the correct paint. So I've gone back to Citadel paint. I've got this one. It's Citadel The Messy Desert. So now I'm gonna paint it. So here it goes. So we painted it, and it's looking a bit weirder on camera, I noticed. So there's a bit of cracks in the paint, but that's no problem at all. What I'm gonna do now is take off the tape on these parts, and then I'm gonna paint that. After that's done, I'm gonna do the details like the screws and a little bit of battle damage. And there you have it. That's how you create the belt buckle of the Batman Arkham Knight utility belt. And it's simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, please comment, and please subscribe. Tell me if you want to see more videos and what you want the videos to be about. So thank you for joining us, and have a great one.